Knowing that this dismissed with finality naman yung motion for reconsideration, are you prepared for the seemingly obvious effort of your detractors come after February 6 to file another impeachment complaint against you?
Yes. Yung mga lawyers, they've been preparing, or they were hired as early as fourth quarter of 2023, the moment that one of the members of the House of Representatives announced that they will file a case against me. At nakumpirma ko yun sa loob ng opisina noon ng speaker noon. Kaya meron na kaagad mga abogado noong panahon na yon. At hanggang ngayon, tutuloy-tuloy pa naman yung mga abogado and legal team, and nung nakaraang taon, bago mag-Christmas break, ay napag-usapan din namin yung paghahanda sa impeachment. Hindi lang ngayong taon na ito, dahil sigurado kapag hindi sila nakapag-file ngayong taon, susunod na taon at hanggang matapos ang aking termino ay ganun ang gagawin nila. Magpapile sila ng kaso, impeachment man hindi.
Okay.